In today's video, you will learn about the ways to take the screenshot in Samsung Galaxy S24. So if you want to take the screenshot in Samsung Galaxy S24, I will tell you how to do it in the different ways. Follow all the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn about it. Before that, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's watch it.